Today we're going to be talking about why some people can bounce back after every failure, while others give up at the first setback. Hi, I'm Raminder, and in this video we're going to be exploring what growth mindset is, how it shapes your personal development, and how you can start reprogramming your thoughts to become more resilient and confident. By the end of this video, you'll have some practical ways to shift your mindset so you can start seeing challenges as opportunities to grow rather than signs to give up. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities can be developed with learning and effort and persistence, versus a fixed mindset where people believe their skills and talent are set in stone. People with a growth mindset, they embrace challenges, they learn from their mistakes, and are constantly looking to improve. They learn from their setbacks, they adapt, and they come back stronger. People with a fixed mindset often fear failure, maybe have a resistance to trying new things, and get discouraged by setbacks. Life is not linear and doesn't always go the way we planned, whether it's career changes or relationships or things just not as we expected. With a fixed mindset, you might see this as failure, see this as signs that you're not capable or that life is unfair. But with a growth mindset, those same experiences become learning opportunities. You start asking, what can I learn from this, rather than why did this happen to me? So how can you start training your mind today to become more growth mindset? No experience in life is wasted. Every setback teaches you something. Reframe your questions. So instead of asking, why did I fail? Reframe it with, how can I use this as motivation to learn more? As the saying goes, it's about the journey, not just the destination. But true growth comes from the consistency along the way. Recognize the effort, the discipline, and the small progress that you make each day. Growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone. Take on tasks that stretch your abilities by stepping outside of what feels familiar and safe. By consistently pushing through this discomfort, your brain creates new neural pathways in your brain, which builds resilience and makes new challenges seem much less daunting over time. Read, take courses, and seek mentorship. People with a growth mindset never stop learning. Stay curious about your interests, whether it's about your hobbies or something that's going to further your business or your career, and just remain focused on that continued learning. Jim Rohn, the motivational speaker, once said, "You are the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with." Your mindset is influenced by the environment around you, so find people who inspire you, challenge you in the right ways, and motivate you. This could even be through online groups or YouTube videos or reading books. The attitudes, the behaviors, and the success levels of your immediate environment will influence your own over time. The idea is to be mindful of who you surround yourself with, as this could help or hinder your professional or personal growth. So something to consider is to think about a failure or a setback that you've experienced recently and write down 3 lessons that it taught you. Then decide on one action step to move you forward. It could be sending that email that you've been avoiding, or it could be trying something with a new approach, or simply forgiving yourself and just letting go. This simple exercise starts shifting your mindset from fixed to growth. Your mindset isn't just how you think. It's how you grow, how you innovate, and how you succeed in any area of your life. Having a growth mindset isn't just about being positive all the time. It's about trusting yourself and knowing that you can grow through whatever life throws at you. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so do let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.